Most people think a battery is born the moment it's filled with acid. They're wrong. It doesn't take its first breath until it spends 20 hours in a sauna.
Wait, do I need to get my battery a spa membership?
Not quite. We are cracking the lid to explore the anatomy of the battery.
It's ionic.
Let's just get to the lead. It all starts with the grid. Think of this as the battery's skeleton. But not all skeletons are built equal. Meet the grid brothers.
This one looks like a screen door.
That's the cast grid molten lead in a mold. It can have tiny air bubbles, weak spots where corrosion hides.
And this shiny, jagged one.
That's the stamped grid, punched from a solid sheet, denser and stronger. We add secret sauce, silver calcium to survive the summer heat and to add strength. If the grid is the skeleton, the paste is the muscle. This is a lead oxide mud where the actual chemistry happens.
Looks like I'm icing a cake.
Careful. For modern cars, we add a carbon boost, helping plates accept a charge much faster.
So we just slap the icing on and we're done.
Not yet. It needs a trip to the curing room. The plates sit in a 100% humidity sauna for up to 3 days. This bonds the paste to the grid so it doesn't crumble on a pothole. Now we build the cell. We stack positive and negative plates together. But if they touch, boom, short circuit.
Is that why you're putting that plate in a tiny sleeping bag?
Exactly. That's the separator, a polyethylene envelope with tiny pores. It lets ions flow through but keeps the plates from touching. Once they're packed tight, we drop them into the casing. Now for the lifeblood, we fill these empty chambers with electrolyte, a precise mix of sulfuric acid and pure water.
Thirsty battery, step aside, Ian. I'm going in for a sip.
Whoa, Sparky, this isn't a juice box. That acid is what carries the ions between the plates. Without it, this is just a very heavy plastic box. The moment the acid hits the lead, the chemistry wakes up. It's an exothermic reaction, just a fancy way of saying it getting hot in there.
Phew, is it just me? Or did Sparky just tan it like a hot tub for atoms?
Exactly, and now that they're wet, they're ready for their first big charge. Once the cells and water are in, we connect the leads and seal the lid. In the olden days, you had to top up a battery with water because it would gas and lose liquid.
But Ian, this one doesn't have any holes, is it? Breathing through its skin.
Haha, not quite, Sparky. This is a maintenance-free design. We use a labyrinth lid. When the battery gets warm and the liquid turns to steam, it gets trapped in this maze. It cools down, turns back into water, and drips right back into the cell.
So it's like a tiny, lead-filled rainforest inside there?
Exactly, it recycles its own breath, so you never have to open it. But wait, not all anatomies are the same.
They look the same on the outside.
For EFB, we wrap the plates in a polyester scrim. This mesh jacket keeps the paste on during start-stop cycles.
And this spongy guy?
That's the AGM. Acid is soaked into that glass mat. It's vibration resistant and the sprinter of the group.
Ian, someone left their dessert in the lab.
That's Geltec. We add silica to turn the acid into a jelly. It's the ultimate marathon runner, perfect for solar and marine. The battery is built, but it's still dead.
It's alive!
We pump electricity through them for 20 hours. This is the magic moment where the gray paste transforms. Now, it's ready to start your car. That is the anatomy of power. Remember the chemistry. Don't give it a hammer, give it a test. Stay charged, Ionize family, subscribe for more battery tech.